Hey everyone, so today's video, we're going to be planting a pepper upside down. I've wanted to do this project for a while. I've never done it before and I want to see how it turns out. I have gotten a pepper that is a smaller variety. It is a red snacking pepper, as you can see here. It's Bonnie variety. So we're going to be taking a 5-gallon bucket. This one is from Menards. I got a green one just because I didn't want it to, I guess, clash with the garden aesthetic that I have going on. Home Depot's are orange, Lowe's are blue. Menards is green, so I'm going with Menards. We're gonna be drilling a hole in the bottom of that bucket. We're gonna be putting the pepper in upside down. I'm gonna be fertilizing with Biotone starter fertilizer, and then I'll be filling the rest up with potting soil. I'm not gonna fill it all the way to the top because the pepper doesn't need that much soil. It is a shallow rooted plant. So here's a close-up look at the tag. This is a lunchbox variety. I wanted a smaller pepper so that the large pepper didn't weigh the plant down and have it break. This is the Menards bucket that we're using. I will be drilling a hole here at the bottom. I don't have a very large drill head. I have seen them before where people stick the plants up from the bottom. We're gonna be putting it from the top down, which will make more sense here in a little bit. The tools that I'm gonna be using, I've got Miracle-Gro potting soil. I've got my drill, and this was the bucket that I was originally gonna use, but there's nothing else out here that's orange, and I really wanted it to kind of blend in. What I'm going to be using to hold up, I just went and got this just like hanging basket stake. I was going to drill directly in to this post here, but I don't really want to be doing that. So I'm going to just set it here, and then we will be hooking into this drip system. But I do want to show you while we're over here. We planted this in another video, but this clematis is just spectacular. It's really, really beautiful. And this keeps catching my eye. It's such a pretty installation. I love it. finished the project. I went ahead and got the drip installed. I had already had a drip line ran over here, and it was a 1 gallon per hour emitter. And I've gone ahead and I've zip tied that to the stand, as you can see here. And then it flows, and then this is the emitter here. I think it's gonna be fine if it just drips on top. I've got the plant tag so I don't forget what I planted. And then the most interesting part, this is the upside down pepper. And it doesn't look the best right now, but I feel like it's gonna work out. The hole I made a little bit larger here, as you can see. I was doing that kind of as I was mounting the bucket. I put 4 drainage holes in the bottom there with the same drill. And I think it's gonna work out great. I'll definitely send updates throughout the season. So that's it, this project done. I will send updates throughout the season on our Instagram and TikTok channel, as well as YouTube, and we will hopefully get a lot of peppers out of this. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, as it helps me out a lot.